How to use call screening on iPhone. Grab your phone and jump into Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, you could scroll forever to find the phone app, but let's save some time. Just tap the search field at the bottom, type in Phone, and tap it when it pops up. Next, scroll down until you see a section called Screen Unknown Callers. This is where the magic happens. You've got two choices here. If you just want total peace and quiet, you can tap Silence to send unsaved numbers straight to voicemail. But if you actually want to know what they want, tap Ask Reason for Calling. This tells your iPhone to interview them for you. Here's how it looks in action. When an unknown number dials you, your iPhone will ask the caller to state their name and why they're calling. Once they reply, your phone rings and tells you the call is being screened. Just tap View, and you can read a live transcript of exactly what they are saying while they wait on the line. The coolest part? You don't even have to talk to them. Tap Type to reply to text them back, or just hit one of the quick suggestions. Let's tap this one that says Send More Information. It reads it out loud to them automatically. If it turns out to be someone you actually want to talk to, just slide to answer like normal. Hey, yeah, I'm free. What's up? And honestly, that is all there is to it. No more guessing games with unknown numbers. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you're turning this on.